Here is two fraction. One is 3x divided x square minus y square, minus another one is 3y divided y square minus x square. So we can write, here is 3x, and this one look like a square minus b square. It means a plus b into a minus b. So we can write here a plus b, x plus y and x minus y. And this one we need to do something like minus 3y. If we take common minus, so it will become x square minus y square. Okay, so next line, 3x x plus y into x minus y, and this minus, and then this minus also multiply, it will become plus. So 3y, and this one also we can write x plus y, x minus y. Okay, so if we make LCD, so x plus y into x minus y, so 3x plus 3y, so we can write, take common 3x plus y, and here is x plus y into x minus y. So x plus y we can omit, so 3 divide x minus y is our single denominator. This is our answer. Hope you understand this one. So same thing, if you have any question, just put on your comments in comment box. Welcome to Home of Math. In this algebraic manipulation, we'll solve a fractions with a single denominator. Look, here is 3 by p plus 3r minus p minus 15r divided p square minus 9r square. We can write first 3p plus 3r minus this one p minus 15r, and here look, a square minus b square, what can we do? A plus b into a minus b, and here is p and here is 9r square. 9 means 3r square, it is means 9r square. So this one we can write p square minus 3r square. Okay, now here is 3p plus 3r minus p minus 15r, and here is p plus 3r into p minus 3r. So here LCD is p plus 3r into p minus 3r. So we can if you divide p plus 3r into p minus 3r by p plus 3r, we will get p minus 3r. So 3 into p minus 3r minus, here is only p minus 15r. Okay, so here is p plus 3r and p minus 3r and 3p minus 9r minus p plus 15r. Okay, so what can we do? Here is p plus 3r into p minus 3r, and here is 3p minus 2p, 3p minus p, it means 2p, and here is minus 9r and plus 15r, so here is plus 6r. Okay, so if we take common 2, here is p plus 3r, and here is p plus 3r into p minus 3r. So we just out p plus 3r and p plus 3r. So our answer is 2 divided p minus 3r. Look, this is become a single denominator fraction. Hope you understand this one.